Hi Sutrapunks, hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Leverage trading is an art of earning profits with borrowed money that everyone wants to learn. This means that the conviction is yours, but money behind the investment is provided by an exchange or another trader. One of the most popular method of leverage trading is margin trading. Margin trading is a form of trading where you trade with the borrowed money and you need to provide some collateral for that borrowed money. In this video, we will be giving you a list of top crypto exchanges for the purpose of margin trading. So stick around and watch this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, then welcome aboard. My name is Digant Chadha and CoinSutra is a one-stop shop for all your crypto needs. If this is something you are interested in, then click on subscribe and smash that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. To give you a better insight about this topic, we have a beginner's guide for margin trading. Don't forget to watch it before or after this video. Now, a quick disclaimer. Please note that nothing said in this video is a financial advice. Margin trading is highly risky and you should not do it without sufficient knowledge and experience. And lastly, always consult your financial advisor before making any investment or trading decision. Now, without further ado, let's get started. The first exchange on our list is Binance, which is world's #1 exchange in all aspects, be it number of users, trading volume, liquidity, and whatnot. The exchange also supports margin trading and has a very user-friendly interface for that. On Binance, there are two types of margins, cross margin and isolated margin. We have a separate video to explain these types. You can watch it after this video for better understanding. In addition to this, the exchange has a margin insurance fund in order to save its overall liquidity. In case a trader goes bankrupt during margin trading and his assets are not sufficient to pay off his debts, then the exchange will repay the trader's debt from this insurance fund. Margin trading can be used for both short as well as the long position. In total, Binance offers more than 600 different crypto pairs for margin trading. The exchange allows a margin up to 10x on spot trading and up to 20x on derivatives trading. The interest rate on borrowed amount changes frequently and currently it is this. Further, you may choose to pay margin trading interest in the form of BNB, which is the in-house token of Binance. This will further save you 5% on interest. Link for Binance is in the description. The next exchange on our list is ByBit. ByBit is a specialized platform for derivatives trading. The exchange was established in 2018 and currently has more than 2 million registered users. The exchange deals in a number of perpetual as well as futures contracts. Further, the platform has recently launched a spot trading feature. ByBit has a significant market depth and liquidity. Therefore, it is an outstanding platform for margin trading. For this purpose, ByBit offers margin up to 100x. Further, the exchange has its own insurance funds which can be used to recover losses in case a trader goes bankrupt. ByBit's mobile application is something that you would be using most of the time for trading. The trading engine is blazing fast and it is the fastest growing margin trading crypto exchange. The platform is easy to use even for new traders and offers 24/7 customer support. You can find the link for ByBit in the description. Next exchange on our list is Kraken. Based out of San Francisco, Kraken is one of the largest crypto exchanges in US. It is the second largest exchange after Coinbase in terms of trading volume and number of users that cater to US residents. Further, Kraken offers a big variety of crypto tokens. It also offers margin on spot as well as derivatives trading. The leverage allowed on these trades is up to 5x. The exchange has listed eligibility criteria that will determine whether a user is eligible for margin trading or not. The fee structure for margin trading is here, and link for Kraken is in the description. The last exchange on our list is BitMEX. BitMEX facilitates margin trading for cryptocurrencies and has gained quite a lot of respect in the crypto sphere in a short period of time. The team comprises experienced developers, economists, and high-frequency algo traders, which makes it a reliable platform. Unfortunately, the exchange is not available for US residents. The margin available on the exchange is up to 100x. Further, the platform supports both cross as well as isolated margin. The registration process on BitMEX is simple as you just need your email ID to get started. Plus, you can also secure your funds using two-factor authentication feature. You can find the link for BitMEX in the description. So that's it with our list of top exchanges for margin trading. It is a humble request not to get carried away and protect your capital at all times. The basic rule of earning money is not to lose the money you already have. We would suggest you try these exchanges for your margin trading needs and let us know your experience with them. If you like this video, then like, share and comment. Subscribe to CoinSutra newsletter to get our free crypto trading ebook. Further, follow us on various social media platforms to stay updated about the crypto market. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.